In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up subtask automations in Clickup. Subtask automations in Clickup usually help with two things: creating your required subtasks automatically and keeping subtask and parent task statuses in sync so nothing gets left behind. I will walk you through where to build the automation and then how to set up an example that creates a subtask as soon as a task is created. Start by opening the list folder or space where you want the automation to live. This matters because automations apply to the location you are currently in, so choose the area where your team creates and manages these tasks most often. Once you are in the right place, go to the top right and click Automations, sometimes shown as Automate. In the Automation panel, select Create Automation. This is where you choose the trigger, which is the event that starts the automation, and the action, which is what Clickup does in response. For this example, choose the trigger called Task or Subtask Created. This trigger is great for building an SOP-style workflow, where every new task automatically comes with the same set of required subtasks. After selecting the trigger, you may see options for sources or where the trigger should apply. Click into that sources selection area and confirm it is set the way you need for your workspace, so the automation runs on the tasks you intend. Next, move to the Action section. Click Change Status to open the action choices. Then select Create a Subtask. Make sure the subtask is created under the task that triggered the automation by selecting the option that places it on the task that triggered this action. Now click into the subtask name field and type the name you want for the new subtask. Choose a name that is clear and repeatable, since it will be created the same way every time. If you want a full checklist created automatically, you can add multiple Create a Subtask actions to the same automation, one for each required step. When everything looks right, click Create to turn the automation on. As an extra tip, Clickup also supports cleanup automations like marking the parent task done when all subtasks are resolved, or marking all subtasks done when the parent is moved to done. You can also have subtasks inherit key custom fields from the parent, like a project code or client name, using a subtask created trigger with a match parent task action. And that covers everything you need to know.